Sunday, you guys. Sunday reset. I do this every weekend, and to be honest with you, I filmed this on a Saturday. You want to know why? Because it was November 1st, and I wanted to start my month off perfectly, but I do this every single Sunday. I keep my house pretty clean in general, so some Sundays are really easy. I always start in the living room, pick up, get everything set, because I know Ellie will run in here once I start vacuuming. Then I clean my kitchen, wipe everything down. You have to do your microwave and the top of your oven. Don't ever forget that spot. Then of course we head into the bedroom and we'll start making the bed. Do you guys fold your sheets under the mattress like I do? Let me know. Also, the key to the coziest bed is as many fluffy pillows as possible. It's game changing.
You guys, my favorite pants were clean. These, I have 2 pairs of them, so I changed into them because my other ones were making me really hot.
The bathroom is always last for me, and I clean the shower when I'm in the shower. Do you guys do that too? Is that weird? When we end it off with a good old vacuum, it's my favorite thing. I vacuum every single day. I'm such a clean freak like that. Look at Ellie. She's terrified of it.
Ooh, Ellie, this is for you. Come here. This is huge. Turkey tendons. Of course, the battery died when I gave this to Ellie, but it's like turkey jerky. Was that good, sis? Come here. Did you like those? Blush and bronzer from Pixie. What? Do you want one? What do you say? Say please. No. Good girl. Sit. Stay. Good job. Here you go. Okay, the house is clean. The last 2 things I need to do is fold my laundry and clean my shower, but I clean the shower when I'm in the shower. So I will do that later. But for now, we're gonna put on a face mask while I fold my laundry. It's the perfect time. And this, I keep these in the fridge so it's cold. This is the Medicube PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Mask. It is my favorite. A Sunday reset to me isn't just my space, it's also myself. Almost, you see it dripping? You see it dripping down my face into my mouth. Oh, also do not be afraid to cut your mask. Sometimes it gets gapping right here, and I'll go in with these little scissors and just slice. See, it's cutting off the top part of my lips, the sides. See how much more room I have now? Now let's do our laundry.
Normally I would cut this out, but this is what we look like when we're taking thumbnails. Can you believe this is real life? I can't.
I love it. Okay. Now, actually, I'm gonna film a TikTok for this mask really quickly. All right, let's do my laundry. I look insane. I forgot to hit record. You guys, we just put out pumpkin apple candle to top off cleaning the house. Gorgeous. I switched out my sugared snickerdoodle. I have this one out, but this feels more like a December scent. I've only lit it one time, so we'll save this for next month. How snuggly is this right now? With my pumpkin pillows. Am I in the middle though? Wait, this is cute. Okay, now you're on my coffee table. My coffee table lifts up, which is awesome. My laptop is right here. I know you can't see it in frame, but right now is when I go through and decide what I'm gonna do for work for the next week. I do work from home, which is such a blessing. If I don't have any expression when I'm talking, it's because the mask is drying and getting tighter on my face. To be able to prep myself for the week, just because it's easier than going in. I know it's still Saturday when I'm filming this, but I do this on Sundays, like I said earlier. But just so that way, I feel like I'm ahead of myself, and especially now that I want to incorporate YouTube back into my rotation of things that I'm doing, I want to make sure I'm ahead of it so I don't fall back, because I know one of my biggest struggles last time, and I think another reason why I really kind of fell back and didn't enjoy what I was doing anymore is because I wasn't ahead of myself. I wasn't as on top of it as I should have been. Whereas in the times of my YouTube channel when I was doing my best at it and was, really full on into it, it's because I was always ahead of myself. And so I want to be back on that train. And if I want to stick to this, I need to have those habits. And my mask is looking so funny. Hi, Mama. Okay, you guys, I feel a little weird doing this. How do I show you in a cute way? I did my toes. Just gave myself some little French tip toes. Cute. I love them. Oh, it's so weird to put your feet on camera. But what? You're hitting me. What? But I just love a little French tip toenail. Hi, sister. You just took such a long nap this afternoon. You're so cute. I can't even believe it. Here, watch. I'll stop hitting her. She'll hit me. Watch. Oh. Just a little one. You still too tired. I love you, honey. So this is a part of a reset day, I will tell you. I do some sort of nail, whether it's my toe or my fingers. I still have these right now. I still have these little dark nails right now. This is Fudge Sickle from D&D, which I never do a dark nail, but I love a dark short nail right now for fall. I think it's cute. Gosh, I'm so pale. I should tan. Should I put some tan on tonight? I might. This is the best body wash on the planet by Naturium. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's the Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. I had no makeup on today, but this is an awesome makeup remover. Clean at Zero. I've tried 4 different versions of this one, but this orange one, it's the vitamin C. Amazing. This face wash is mirrored, and I'm trying not to show myself in it, but this is the best face wash ever. I put the matching body butter all over my body. It's the best ever. I'm gonna use this lip mask. My hands are so red. My shower was so hot. From Prequel, the Multi Quench. This serum from Prequel, the Multi Quench, it also matches. Hyaluronic acid. I'll put this on my lips after I lip scrub. I just have coconut oil and sugar mixed together. My moisturizer is this rice cream. I'm gonna do this all off camera because I have to allow this to settle onto the skin because it does have oil in it. So I can't like put PJs on right away. So I have to walk around with nothing on, if you catch my drift. Why isn't this not focusing? I'm using the cinematic mode on my phone. Okay, there you go. It's the end of the evening. We're going to make a cup of tea. This is my favorite mug. My mom got it for me for Valentine's Day. I love it. I apologize for how loud it is. The dishwasher is going, and I'm watching old episodes of Courtney and Kim Take New York. So I'm keeping it very real with you guys. This is really how it goes. Not aesthetic, just how it is. All right, tonight I've been rotating between 3 different teas. I either do peppermint, spearmint, or lemon ginger. I'm doing peppermint tonight. It's also a good like holiday time tea. It's really good for your tummy. I know it's a Sunday reset video, but it's Saturday when I'm filming this, as you guys know. And I'm kind of loving that I actually reset on a Saturday because Sunday for me is now gonna be, I have no idea what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So that's kind of nice. I told Ellie it'll be a mommy and me day. I just took her for a walk and fed her dinner. Every night we're in a routine now where I have this toy for her that looks like soil and then, oh, yay. No, I have this toy for Ellie that looks like a garden with carrots in it and you put food underneath the carrots. And when I tell you we did it 6 rounds tonight, she ate all of her food out of her bowl. So we went on a walk and now she just ran into my bedroom. I'll show you that in a second. But now I'm gonna drink this and just sit on the couch and watch my show and then I'll fall asleep. It's 10 p.m. for me by now. But if you guys want an actual like wellness nighttime routine, please let me know because during the week I do have a routine that I really stick to. Oh, it's glowing in here. Hi, sister. Wow, it is so snuggly in here. Are you not the cutest girl in the world? Hi, Pumpkin. You ate so much food. Thank you for the kiss. And you ran around so crazy, girl, huh? All right, guys, we love you so much. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Say bye-bye. Give a kiss. Mwah.